Hey loves, welcome back to Sometimes I Love You More. Today is part 2 of my bathroom organization video, and today we're in the master bathroom. So I'm not going to lie to you guys today, this bathroom was such a hot mess that I went ahead and cleaned a little bit before we were even getting started. It was really that bad, especially the countertop. But today we're going to be working on the double vanity and drawers. I'm going to be organizing underneath. I have a lot of junk under there, and then we're going to be cleaning up a little bit after. But let's go ahead and get into the video.
Okay guys, so starting off, we're going through my side of the vanity by pulling everything out. Then I'm going to be going through my husband's side and the drawers just so I can pull everything out and go through it all, see what's expired and what I'm not using anymore so it can all be trashed if needed. So here's everything pulled out from the cabinet and drawers. Then I wiped down the drawers and cabinets. And doing the same thing I did in our guest bathroom here, just taking the little bins I got from Dollar Tree and putting bumpers on the bottom. For me personally, I went through all of my items as I was putting everything back. That worked for me because it was somewhat organized in the first place. So I knew what categories I had already for the most part. So here I'm just going through each drawer and figuring out the layout I want and how everything's going to fit back into the drawers. Here I continue to go through everything that was on the floor and put it back on my side, as well as trashing things that I didn't need anymore.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose.
So the next day I began cleaning. I started with dusting the lights and ceiling and walls with this duster I got from the Dollar Tree. Then I moved on to the mirror countertops and sweeping. Our dogs do sleep in the bathroom, so there's usually a lot of dog hair in there. And then I sprayed the cabinets with this Purge oil, and it seems to work very well. It brings a lot of life back into the cabinets. also use this magic eraser on my wall to get a lot of the makeup and splash marks off.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Here's a before, and here is the after on my side of the vanity. I like the way it turned out. I have plenty of room above these bins for more if I need, but it really helped utilize the space. Here's my husband's side after as well. I brought one of the white bins from the guest bathroom in here for our cleaning products as well. And here are the drawers. This is our top drawer. I really love now that things are separated instead of our toothbrushes being with like the nail clippers and all those things. We have a few little medicines in the back there. Here's all my hair products. A lot of the clips go to the curlers that I don't really use, but I like to separate my hair with them. I also got rid of a lot of nail polishes that I didn't use. And the bottom drawer is empty now.
Hey loves, I hope you enjoyed this bathroom organization video as well as my guest bathroom organization video. And if you did, please like it down below to let me know so I can do more videos like this. I have a couple more ideas in the works, but if you like budget-friendly bathroom organization or home organization videos like this, please subscribe for more videos like that in the future, as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And until next time, bye y'all.